In this video I'm going to show you a simple steps on how to test the heater plugs / glow plugs on your vehicle. Now this is a test which has the glow plugs removed. If you want to do an in the vehicle test, that'll be a different operation than this one, but the first thing you'll do is visually check all of these, make sure that there's no damage where they could have got cracked when getting removed. Once you have done that inspection, the test I'm going to do now is a visual one, so you will see this part of the heater plug glow, and you can do it two ways really. The first one would be just to use jumper cables, and you will see my setup now, but I won't be using jumper cables. I'll be using my battery charger that I have here. So this part of the glow plug is the positive side, and then the body of it here is where you get the earth. So you clamp it on to the top there, and then with my other cable I put it on to the body of it. Make sure that these two never touch. Keep them separate. Now at this stage you would have your other battery to connect up to, but all I have to do is flick the setting here, and you can see that that glow plug is fine. So I'll go through and I'll do all four, but as you can see this one is perfect, and that is a very simple test on how to check that your glow plug is functional. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.